I am Mani and welcome back to Edunix Academy. Today I am going to discuss about how sex will be determined in case of bird and honeybee. In my last class I have already discussed about in case of human how we decide the gender of a baby. Okay, now let us start regarding this. This is very important chapter for your NEET examination point of view, that how you decide the sex in case of birds and honeybee. So like human, birds do not follow the same pattern. Means XX chromosome and XY chromosome in case of male and XX chromosome in case of female. But it is something different. It is something different in case of bird. Now, in case of human, you might have remembered that the sex of a child is determined the father's chromosome. Means fathers having X chromosome and Y chromosome sperm. Okay, in their sperm. So sex of the baby is decided by the father itself. But in case of bird, the bird having male and female category, So the organism is a bird here. Male contain Z chromosome, where female contain Z and W. Now see, here is the difference. Means Z and W. Means male having Z chromosome, similar type of chromosome, but female having two different kind of chromosome. Right? Then who decides sex? Who decides sex? Basically, the female bird decides the sex of a baby bird. Means whenever Z combine with ZW, if combination comes as Z and W, means if Z will come, then obviously the Z from the female will be combined with the Z of the male bird. So obviously the gender of the baby is a male bird. But whenever the W chromosome of female bird, they combine with the Z chromosome, obviously a bird having both type of chromosome, that means Z chromosome from its father and W chromosome from its mother. So obviously it will be a female bird, right? So in this way, in case of bird, the sex determination is done by basically due to female bird. The female bird decide what will be the gender of its baby. Now next come to discuss about the gender, how gender is decided in case of bee. Now during fertilization, that means the female bird having Z and W chromosome, the eggs having two types of chromosome, that is Z and W, and male bird contain the sperm contain Z and Z only. So whenever they means the egg having Z chromosome combine with or unite with the sperm having Z chromosome, obviously Z combination will become, that means Z chromosome from the father and Z chromosome from the mother, they will combine to each other. So they will form a male bird. Okay. Similarly, whenever the egg having W chromosome, they combine or unite with the sperm having that means Z chromosome. Obviously, the female bird will form having both mother's and father's chromosome, different chromosomes. So this is the gamete. Means whenever they combine egg cell and sperm cell, they are haploid in nature. Haploid means that means in case of male or female, they contain haploid number of chromosomes. Haploid means two sets of chromosomes. Means male contains 78 and female contains also 78. But whenever the gamete form, means the union of egg and sperm form, they brings 39 from father, 39 from mother. Okay. So they that means this is haploid in nature, but this is diploid in nature. Diploid means two set of chromosomes. Haploid means single set of chromosomes. But whenever the gamete form, they contain egg plus sperm having 39 numbers of chromosomes. So now let us discuss about the sex determination in case of B. Now let us discuss about the how sex determination happens, or how we can determine the sex of in case of honeybee. So honeybee, you know, male and female both are there, but honeybee chromosomes in case of male it is known as drone. Male honeybee is known as drone. So number of chromosome in male chromosome means basically male bee is haploid in nature, and that means 16 numbers. 16 number of chromosome in case of male male bee is there, honey bee is there. Okay, so now similarly in case of female known as worker, or from the worker one of the bee will be as queen. Okay, so female or it is known as worker or queen. It is diploid. Its chromosome is diploid in nature. That means to the value n. If n is the number of chromosome in case of male bee, that means in haploid, that is n is equal to 16. Similarly, in case of female, it is diploid in nature, that is 2n. That means 2 into 16, that is 32 numbers of chromosomes are there in case of in female bee, or workers or queens. So among the workers, one will be the queen. Okay. So now see this, whenever the female or queen lay eggs, some eggs fertilized and some eggs cannot fertilized, right? So the egg which are fertilized, they becomes female bee again. Okay, and the egg which is not fertilized become a male bee. So male having no father, it is having only mother, because from mother's unfertilized egg means your female bee is forming. Okay, so male have no father, only mother, and genetic material in case of basically male. Okay, see the Z chromosomes means the chromosome in case of male is larger as compared to the chromosome present in the female. Okay, that means if we consider Z here, and if you consider the W is the chromosome in case of female, so Z is larger than means W. Okay, so that means the female workers eggs are very lower. Okay, or fewer in eggs, smaller and fewer eggs. So in this way, the sex of the honeybee will be decided. Okay, again I am repeating, female bee or a queen, or basically queen lay eggs. Some of eggs fertilized, they becomes female bee again. Some of remain unfertilized and they become male bee. Okay, so that's why if unfertilized egg male bee is forming, obviously the male bee having no father, it has only mother. Simultaneously, the chromosome in case of male is haploid in nature, and in chromosome in case of female it is diploid in nature. So number of chromosome in case of bee is 16 in case of male or drone, and number of chromosome present in the female worker or queen, it is 2n, that means 32. Okay, so in this way the sex can be determined in case of honeybee. I hope you understand this, the sex determination, how it happens in case of bird and in case of bee, and also how the sex will be determined by the father in case of human being. Okay, so I hope you understand this, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please follow my next video. Thank you.